So hello, I don't know if you remember, but in the first part of the first video, second video, I do not remember, I was doing a really easy calculator. So I was doing something like this. Enter a number. Yes. Now num2 is equal to and enter another one. So when I do this, result is equal to num2 plus num1 plus num2. If I print this, it's gonna give me a number. Yes, 5 plus 9. Oh, okay. So today I'm gonna do a more difficult calculator. I'm gonna try to do it. I have also watched that short video, so I'm gonna try to do it. So I'm gonna leave it just with music, and I hope you enjoy.
Been so long since I met you, feel so strong, feel so strong, yeah. I know I could really trust you, do no wrong, no, can't do wrong, yeah. There's no I in both of us, there's no me and you. Golden times have turned to dust, now we see the truth. I've been running away all my life, trying to pick up the pace, feeling
So as you see, I have done a really easy calculator up to here, but it's something missing. When I'm when I enter a number, it works, and the operator it also works. But when I enter something different, it's not giving me anything. So it's missing something right here. Okay, I'm gonna do it in a second.
I've been running away. It's so long since I met you. Feel so strong, yeah. I know I could really trust you. Do no wrong, can't do wrong, yeah. There's no I in both of us. There's no me and you. Golden times separated us. Now we see the truth. I've been running away all my life, trying to pick up the pace, feel alive.
So as you see up to here, now it's working. I can run this and I can do any operation. 7, it works. And if I try to do something different, for example, this, I don't know, let's say this, 6, and value operator pre-start again. Alright, these are really easy calculator if you wanna try it by your own. If you got something to improve this part, will be amazing. Alright, hope to see you in the next video.